Ah. Ah. Mmm. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate. Today we are making one pot chili shrimp pasta. Oh yeah, with porcini and zucchini. And if you're vegan, you just remove the shrimps. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Italy, in the region of Puglia, surrounded by olive trees, and we are making Strascinati pasta from Puglia. Susanna and I are in the region of Puglia, and we are loving this amazing region. We've been traveling around the coast, in the countryside. We tried so many beautiful dishes, and today I'm very proud to show you my creation, inspired by this trip in Puglia. In Italy, we have more than 400 different types of pasta, and I'm not talking about spaghetti, fusilli, ravioli. There's so much more. And like me, Bella Italia love to support regional cuisine, which is what Italian cuisine is all about. That's why today we are cooking with Strascinati pasta from Puglia, and it's made in a beautiful, authentic way, where it's slowly dried, and it's made with beautiful Italian ingredients, bringing you the real Italy into your table. This pasta is very simple to make. We need a nice large pan, and we want to put extra virgin olive oil, and I'm using local Puglia extra virgin olive oil. Then you want to finely chop a clove of garlic, put it in there, let it cook for about 30 seconds, and then I add the zucchini. I like to cut zucchini into cubes. It's easier to eat with the pasta. You want to cook the zucchini for about 10 minutes until they become nice and soft. Now we want to avoid to burn the garlic, so I just add a splash of water, and this will stop that garlic to burn. So the zucchini needs to cook for about 10 minutes on its own, because they need to get softer. When they start to become softer, you want to add the mushrooms, the porcini mushroom. The smell of the mushrooms is just incredible. I love it. I've got a mixed mushrooms here, mainly a porcini, but I also added some other wild mushrooms. Oh my God, I just wish you were here. And I can see the mushrooms are already creating water. Can you see that? It's already creating the water that we need for the zucchini. Look at that. Oh my God! Please let me know in a comment below if you can smell this from wherever you are. Zucchini and porcini. It's just a perfect mix. Can you see how beautiful it is? See the cream? See the cream? That cream is the combination of zucchini and mushrooms. See? I want to taste it. Sensational. Oh yeah. When you boil your pasta, always remember to add the salt just before you put the pasta inside. And don't forget, you only put the pasta inside when the water boils. Ah, yes. This Strascinati pasta from Puglia, they remind me of orecchiette, but they're actually flat, more flat. So I'm expecting the same kind of texture, but a little bit bigger. I feel like they absorb more, and they go very well with the ingredients that we're using today. Let's cook it for 17 minutes. When the porcini are cooked, when the zucchini are cooked, you want to add the prawns, the shrimps, right at the end. Why? Because it only takes a few minutes to cook. This is the moment where we mix the beautiful shrimps with the zucchini and with the porcini. Look how beautiful they look together. They're making love with each other. The prawns need a couple of minutes to cook. They're almost ready. Now we want to add a bit of parsley. And here I have homemade chili. My dad made it, and it's a bomb. The final touch for this recipe is the breadcrumbs, and I'm using beautiful fresh breadcrumbs. So it's time for Breadcrumbs Bay. Can you see? This is becoming red. We didn't use any tomatoes or any sauce, only used chili. And look, looks like a red sauce. It's fascinating, right? Our wonderful sauce is ready. So now, time to add the pasta. Oh yeah, look, they grow so much. Oh my God, this pasta is gonna be fantastic. I recommend you to add a little bit of water from the boiling water. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Can you see that? Can you see how beautiful the combination is? Again, we want to add more breadcrumbs. This breadcrumbs is like the parmesan for this pasta. And parsley. Beautiful. Mix it well. And do all of this while the stove is still on. So the pasta keeps cooking with the ingredients. And now we are ready to serve. The best part of this video recipe. I really wish you guys were here. Oh. Now we plate it. Oh. And now we finish it off with the parsley. Oh, looks stunning. And a touch of breadcrumbs. And here is the pasta for you to be enjoyed. You can thank me later. Thank you so much, Bella Italia. And thanks to me for this great recipe. And thanks Puglia for this magical environment. Now, I will see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe. So thank you very much. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate from Puglia. Straight away, I get the kick of the chili, which is actually very nice. And the combination of the ocean, the porcini, I can really smell them. And the zucchini is just very delicate in there, just placed in there. Guys, I just write a comment below and let me know, where are you from, or what region are you from, and what's a special dish from your area? I want to know. Thank you from Puglia, and I love sharing recipes with you. Love you all.